Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay, as you can see, I cleaned out all this area and I'm planning to put new things there. And I want to show you this. You see this little green thing? That's a potato. Yeah, I got tomatoes on one side, I got potatoes on this side. I put it out here because when the sun hits, it hits this area very good, you know. And since we have a lot of rain, we keep it up. I decided to put it here so when it rains and the sun comes, it starts drying it up fast and doesn't, rotten it. At least that's what I'm thinking. I have tried it in a bucket, it didn't work. I tried it in my balcony, it didn't work. So I'm trying this time right here. See what happens. And if it grows, I will be putting more potatoes. Now, how if you want to put potatoes, what I do is I leave like two or three of them that I do not touch, and when they start bursting their roots, I start. That's when I come here and I'm gonna put them here, so we could have enough potatoes. I love potatoes, and cutting rice out, so because it really hurts my stomach, from the sepsi, but But that's no problem. I still buy potatoes, the one you just add a little bit of milk and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. So there it goes. I came out here just to see if it was growing. It's right there. And there's another one over here, but it hasn't come out yet. So it should be coming out pretty soon. There's two of them that there's in there. And when it's time to harvest it, I think it's around 3 months. Then I'll see if anything comes out of it. But I will be putting some. I put some nutrients so they could grow pretty good. As you can see right there, I got my. I call it. I forgot. Oh yeah, my corianders. We call them culantros. So they're pretty cool. And I'm also gonna fill this up of culantros also. I got a lot of them over there, right there, and they're getting big, you know. So they get a little in the wintertime, they get a little down, and they start growing little ones again. Like as you can see right there, those are little ones growing up. And they already got flowers, you know. The top part here is the flower right there. When that little spot there gets black, then you just pour it all over there and they start growing new ones. So that's pretty cool. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye. And hey, pray for me that this potato grows. I'm trying to grow potatoes and I haven't been able to. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.